Good day. Today I'm going to show you the difference between a good magnetron and a bad magnetron. I'm going to test both of them. First, I'm going to put the multimeter and continuity. Okay. When you touch these two terminals, you must get continuity. But when you touch the shell with the terminal, you must not get any continuity. So test this. Good. It's no continuity. So now this one is good. This one now, if you get continuity, when you touch the shell, you have no continuity. So we know this is a bad magnetron. But sometimes when it's even bad, you will touch the shell and you will not get any continuity. Because the problem is sometimes the magnet is cracked. And if you see the magnet is cracked, that means the magnetron is bad, even though it's reading okay. So that's the difference between a good and a bad magnetron. It's that simple. And sometimes you can check the tip to see if it's burned. You have to check it. Okay. So that's just the simple difference between a good magnetron and a bad magnetron.